Yo guys, if you need Madden, FIFA, or NBA coins, go to golda.com. I will have the link in the description. Peace out, guys. Yo, what is up, guys? Madden Mobile here. I'm back. I got 116 with the Pro pack. Let's get right into it. Get 77 Chris Baker. Oh, great. What's going on now? It's gonna go reveal all on this pack. Get 75 Trey Mason. Okay. Garbage, but whatever. I doubt I'm gonna pull an elite just because of how good my pack luck can be, dude. Like, my pack luck is like the best, dude. Like, I'll pull elites no matter what. JK, not. It's you can't pull elites anymore. They go for like 40k. You can't pull them. Boy. They go for less. You should give them more. We should be pulling more of them. No, that's the other way around. When they were way expensive, you could pull them like nothing. It'd be like 50k or something. Now you spend like 2 million and get not a single elite that goes for 40k. I don't know what EA is trying to go for. But whatever it is, it's kind of stupid. Get Eli Manning. Peyton Manning and Eli Manning sucks, so what's the point of pulling him? Getting down to our last 2 pro packs. Not a single lead in 116k. Not a single kicker or punter or kick returner or punt returner. I don't know what's going on with the freaking pack. Told ya, dude. And you know where these stupid plays go to? Right in here. Yep. Cause I could actually no. I'm gonna do something different. Something I usually don't do. Did it? Oh wait, that sucks. Gotta find one that I have a lot of. Okay, that one doesn't have a lot. Come on, I gotta have a lot of some team. That'll be very weird if I don't have a lot of some one team. Come on, I don't want to go and do this again. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you kidding me? I put all those players and I can't complete one of these sets. Golly, dude, what is going on with this? They give you all these players, but they don't give you enough of one team, so you can do one team set. I honestly have not figured that out yet. And no, wrong. Screw it then. Screw that, I guess. I just wasted a few minutes of your, few seconds of this stupid video. Hug. I doubt I pull an elite. Freaking. If I pull at least 4 goals, I would be happy because that'll be a quick sell. Whatever trophies I get out of these, I would make another video on if I have enough to do quick sells. If I only have enough to do one, then I will do one and just have random junk in there with it. I get 4 golds out of this 10 trophy pack. I doubt it, but whatever. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Yep, I only got 3. So, whatever I have left over, I will combine, and or I might do just game plan. I can do a lot of those. Crap, dang it. I don't know what to do, dude. Well, I'll have another video out for you guys, so, peace out, guys.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.